Welcome to our video on parts of speech. In this video, I will give you a brief overview of each part of speech so you can get a better understanding of how they work in a sentence. In the upcoming videos, we will learn in detail about each part of speech to help beginners understand the English grammar better. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in the English language. The parts of speech tells us how the word function in meaning as well as its use in the grammar. Understanding them is essential to deliver the right message. Noun. A noun is a word for a person, place, thing or idea. Nouns are sometimes used with articles a and the. A noun can be a subject as well as an object. Examples: boy, restaurant, dog, hope, Raju. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. A pronoun is used to substitute for a specific noun, which is called the antecedent. Examples: he, she, it, we, they, our, me, etc. Now see the sentence. Raju saw a mango. He wanted the mango and he took the mango. Instead of saying Raju's name 3 times in a row, we substituted with he and our sentence remained grammatically correct. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. It tells us something more about a noun. It usually answers the questions of how many, what kind of, or which one. If you are talking with your friend about a movie you watched, how do you explain it? You might say the movie was funny, engaging, well written, or suspenseful. When you are describing the movie with these words, you are using adjectives. Examples: happy, strong, less, few, beautiful, etc. Verb. A verb tells us what action someone or something is doing. It also expresses state of being and play an important role in determining tenses. Verbs indicate what the subject of sentence is doing. Every complete sentence must contain at least one verb. Verbs can change form depending on subject or tense or mood and voice. Examples: walk, run, swim, sing, etc. State of being: am, was, or. Adverb. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. It usually answers the questions of when, where, how, why, under what conditions, or even how often something happens, or to what degree. Adverbs often end with ly. Although not all adverbs have this ending, and not all words with this ending are adverbs. See the sentence. Reena writes quite quickly. Here, quite is the adverb, not quickly. An adverb is not used with nouns. Using an adverb with nouns is a blunder. Examples of adverb are perfectly, yesterday, here, completely, etc. Preposition. A preposition relates a noun or pronoun to another word in a sentence. It usually placed before noun or pronoun to form a phrase modifying another word in the sentence. Prepositions can be used to indicate aspects such as time, place, and direction. A single preposition can often describe many different relationships depending upon how it is used. For example, in can indicate time, means in January, in 2011, like that. And it indicates location, in the house, in India, in the restaurant, like that. Purpose. It indicates the purpose, in reply, in advance, etc. Now see the sentence. He put the book in the bag. Without the preposition in, we don't know where the book is. Conjunction. A conjunction joins words, phrases, or clauses. It indicates the relationship between the element joined. Now see the sentences. I like mango. I like banana. I don't like papaya. Instead of writing 3 sentences by using the conjunctions, we can write them in a single sentence that I like mango and banana, but I don't like papaya. Interjection. An interjection is a word that expresses an emotion or strong feelings. It gives a command or greets someone. Interjections are the grammatically independent part of speech. So they can often be excluded from a sentence without affecting the meaning. It is often followed by an exclamation point. Ouch, I hurt my arm. Hey, how are you doing? Other parts of speech. Determiners. A determiner modifies or describes a noun by clarifying what it refers to. Determiners do this by indicating qualities such as possession, relative position, and quantity. In a noun phrase, determiners come before nouns. The traditional 8 parts of speech, these words are usually classified as adjectives or, in some cases, pronouns. Articles. An article is a word that modifies a noun by indicating whether it is specific or general. While articles are often considered their own part of speech, they are also frequently classified as type of determiners or type of adjectives. In the next videos, we will learn in detail about each part of speech. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more educational content.